pronoun in Swahili is mimi. Of course,
mina.
The English counterpart would be I, me. The second person in Swahili pronoun is wewe,
wena,
you in English. And of course, the third person in Swahili, yeye. All right. And the
yena,
English counterpart there would be she, he. The plural of these pronouns, mimi in Swahili would be sisi. And the English of
tina,
course is we, us. The second person plural would be nyinyi. Of course,
bona,
the English counterpart would be you. And the third person plural in Swahili is wao. And of course, the English counterpart for this is they. So these are actually
bona,
the Swahili pronouns.